Buying and selling shipping hacks. Shipping is a factor that is sometimes disregarded when it comes to purchasing and selling, even though it can have a significant impact on your bottom line. Several shipping hacks can assist you in more efficiently navigating the highly complex world of logistics. These shipping hacks can be helpful whether you are the owner of a business, an online seller, or simply someone who wants to save money on personal shipments. In this comprehensive tutorial, you will learn shipping hacks that can save you both time and money. These shipping hacks range from selecting the appropriate packing to gaining an understanding of carrier services. Shipping hacks for buyers. Any purchase made online may incur additional expenses due to the cost of shipping. The following are some strategies that can help you reduce the amount of money you spend on shipping when you buy things online. Look for offers that include free shipping. Many online stores offer promotions with free delivery, especially during particular sales events or holidays. It is possible, however, that these incentives will be offered throughout the entire year for particular products or when your transaction hits a particular threshold. Here's how you may make the most of these promotion opportunities. It is possible to filter search results on many e-commerce websites by categorizing products according to whether or not they provide free shipping. You can find the finest offers without having to worry about additional delivery expenses thanks to this. Take advantage of membership programs. Free 2-day shipping is available on most purchases through services such as Amazon Prime. For members who pay an annual subscription, even some of the smaller businesses give free shipping on their products. Combine discounts and coupons. A great number of retailers provide discounts that can be combined with free or reduced delivery. If you want to earn shipping discounts, you may either sign up for newsletters or look for coupon codes online on websites that aggregate coupons. When you combine various incentives, you may be able to get your purchase transported for no cost or at a price that is significantly reduced. Make use of browser extensions. Applications such as Honey or Rakuten will automatically apply any accessible coupons throughout the checkout process. These coupons frequently include free shipping offers. Utilize subscription services. Free delivery is frequently included as part of the package when they are purchased through subscription services. If you frequently purchase from a specific retailer or brand, think about signing up for the subscription service that the company offers. The weight of the cargo or the quantity of shipments typically determines the shipping cost you pay when you buy in bulk or combine orders. One excellent method for lowering the price of transportation is to, when you know that you will need a product more than once, it is best to place an order for a bigger quantity of that product all at once. Some retailers charge shipping expenses per shipment rather than per item, and this applies to combining orders. If you want to save money on shipping charges, you should wait and place a single larger order rather than placing many smaller orders. Shipping hacks for sellers. Shipping expenses can be a significant factor in determining the amount of money you make as a small business owner or online retailer. Nevertheless, streamlining your shipping operations might have a substantial impact on the margins with which you operate. Utilize the appropriate packaging. The chosen method of packing has a big impact on shipping costs. Here is how to optimize your packaging. Utilize flat-rate boxes. When shipping heavy materials, using flat-rate boxes from the United States Postal Service is an excellent approach to keeping expenses low and predictable. You'll be charged a flat amount regardless of the weight of the item up to 70 pounds, provided that it can fit within the box. Do not go overboard. The size of the box corresponds to an increase in the cost of shipping. Never use boxes that are too large for your product and have very little additional room. You can reduce the weight and size of your shipment by using poly mailers rather than boxes if you are delivering things that are light or small. There are a lot of small businesses and people who ship frequently who are unaware that they can negotiate cheaper shipping costs with carriers. Even modest enterprises can negotiate reduced rates with shipping companies such as FedEx, UPS, or DHL if they leverage their substantial shipment volume. To tackle it, here's how. Request estimates from several different carriers. To your benefit, take advantage of the competition among carriers. To secure your business, carriers could provide you with discounts. Give some thought to a shipping aggregator. Through the consolidation of orders from a large number of small enterprises, shipping platforms such as ShipStation, Shippo, and Pirate Ship can provide cheaper rates. Shipping zones should be optimized. There is a strong correlation between the distance between the origin and the destination and the shipping rates. Shipping zones are a concept that comes into play at this point. A guide optimizing for zones is as follows. Store inventory in multiple locations. If you distribute products throughout the country, you should think about collaborating with third-party logistics 3PL providers to store inventory in warehouses that are located in different regions. Shipments that are made from a location that is geographically close to the consumer can result in lower shipping costs and shorter delivery periods. Provide tiered shipping options. It is important to remember that not all customers desire the same shipping speed, and providing a variety of options will help you save money while also satisfying the expectations of your customers. Free or economy shipping. If you want to encourage customers to select a slower and more cost-effective shipping option, you can offer free or reduced prices for economy shipping. If you are a seller, this strategy can help you save money while still appealing to consumers who are concerned about their financial situation. Provide the option of expedited shipping, but charge the full price for it. Express shipping is an option that the company offers. Those individuals who are willing to pay for speedier delivery can contribute to the subsidization of your economy shipping offers that are free or at a discounted rate. Make sure you have shipping insurance. When you're selling things of great value, it is a good idea to purchase shipping insurance to protect yourself against the possibility of loss, damage, or theft. On the other hand, certain shipping services automatically incorporate fundamental insurance coverage. Take note of the following. The carrier provides insurance. Priority mail from the United States Postal Service, UPS, and FedEx all offer basic insurance coverage for products up to a specified value, often between $50 and $100. Third-party insurance services. In many cases, third-party shipping insurance services such as Shipsurance offer cheaper rates than the carrier, particularly for commodities that are of a high value. Hacks for both buyers and sellers. In terms of cost savings and efficiency, certain shipping hacks apply to all parties involved and are beneficial to both consumers and sellers. By utilizing regional carriers, even while FedEx, UPS, and the United States Postal Service dominate the shipping sector, regional carriers frequently can offer low prices for particular zones. Regional carriers such as OnTrack, LaserShip, and Speedy Delivery are smaller in size, but they can offer speedier delivery times and more affordable pricing in their local regions. Buyers need to take advantage of return policies because free return shipping might be a cost-saving measure. When it comes to sellers, having a return policy that is both clear and efficient can increase consumer trust and happiness, which in turn can lead to more sales. This is how both parties can benefit. Buyers should always be sure to check whether or not a business offers free return shipping before making a purchase. This may save you money on return fees if you are unsure about a product. To lessen the financial strain, sellers should consider forming a partnership with a carrier that provides lower return rates if they are giving free returns. The importance of timing. It is important to note that shipping times can have a considerable impact on costs, particularly for both buyers and sellers. It is best to avoid shipping over the holidays because shipping during peak seasons, such as the holidays, typically results in higher charges because of the increased demand. If you want to avoid surcharges or delays, ship your package early. Utilize off-peak delivery options. Many carriers provide their delivery services at discounted costs during off-peak hours or for non-urgent deliveries. The decision to go with slower delivery dates might result in cost savings for both customers and vendors. Conclusion. Your ability to master shipping hacks can have a significant impact on the experience you enjoy when buying and selling. It is possible to save both time and money by taking the time to optimize your approach, which includes everything from selecting the appropriate packing to making use of shipping software. Whether you are a buyer hoping to reduce the amount of money you spend on delivery fees or a seller trying to increase your profit margins, putting these shipping hacks into practice will help you ship more effectively and intelligently. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Have a great day, and see you next time.